Solia, and today we are going to solve another LeetCode question. So question number is 27 and title is remove element. Easy category question. Description is given an integer array nums and an integer value. Remove all occurrence of value in nums. The order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Means this question says that we have to remove given value from the nums array. Means we have to return all the element of nums array without the given value number. This is the main asking question. Now what is the things is change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contains the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of the nums are not important as well as the size of the nums. This line says that this line says that we have to change the original nums array with removes the given val elements. Means in nums array we have to change this nums array according to that its first k elements contains only numbers that are not equal to our value. Means if the num is given like this 3 2 2 3 and value is given 3, then we have to return original nums array with the only values that are not equal to 3, means 2 and 2. This line says that. And second one is return k. What is the k here? K is the first k elements of nums. Means when we change the nums array, then the size of the nums is the k. Basically this k is the size of the nums array after we change it. Okay, so now example. So in first example, nums is 3 2 2 3, value is 3 and output is 2. Here 2 is k and nums becomes 2 2 and underscore underscore. We have to return nums array. Means LeetCode compiler automatically returns nums array. We just have to change nums array according to our code. Means according to numbers that are not equal to value. Now explanation. Your function should return k equals to 2, means size of the nums array, with the first two elements of the nums being 2. It does not matter what you leave beyond the returned k. Hence they are underscores. Here they are written underscore in the place of 3 and 3 that are removed, but it's not compulsory. We only return 2 2. We only return nums as that contains 2 and 2. We does not have to return underscore. That explanation says that. Okay, so I hope you understand the question, and now let's head over to the solution. Okay, so I write the solution. First of all, I explain the code. First, I assume a vector named ans. First of all, we have to contains all the unique elements of the given nums in answer. First, we are storing all unique elements in our answer vector. After that, I use a for loop that runs from I equals to 0 to nums dot size, means size of the nums vector. Now then I use a if condition. This if condition says that if any of number that are in nums vector are not equal to given value, then push back into this answer vector. Answer dot push back nums I, means if any number which is does not equal to value, then push back this number into answer vector. After I run a second for loop that is runs from I equals to 0 to answer dot size. Now this for loop I have to run for the change of nums, original nums vector. What we do here is I run this from 0 to answer dot size. Answer is our assuming vector that we are assuming, and in this answer for now all there is all unique elements. There is no any repeating elements, no repeating. There is no any element. This what is this what's value is equal to this value. So in answer there are all are unique elements. Now what we do here is 0 to answer dot size, and we edit nums I, all the nums I elements to the answers I. Means this loops runs from 0 to answer dot size. Like first of all I equals to 0, so nums 0. Let's took example 1. So here nums 0 is 3, but in answer we have first element as 2, because this 3 is removed because of value is 3. So in answer our first is 2, so this 3 is replaced by 2. Same as second one is 2, remains as it is. After that this 2, after that I1 and num1 is 2, so 2 remains 2. Now answer size is only 0 and 1, so answer size is 2, so this loop is runs from 0 to 2. And this LeetCode compiler is automatically return nums, and here we are return answer dot size, means we are returning the size of the answer, which is 2 here. So from this code here we are changing the nums original array that we are telling here in this line is true here, and after we return k is answer dot size, the size of the answer vector. So basically we don't have to return any external thing. LeetCode compiler automatically return nums original array. We just have to change this array with our answer that contains that elements that does not contain value, and after that we return answer dot size. First of all we run the code, and it passes all test cases. Then we submit the code, and 0 millisecond is runtime beats 100% people. So this code is very optimal. Now I will explain you the custom judge. What is a custom judge? So custom judge means LeetCode verify your solution beyond just check the return value. Means when question contains custom judge, then LeetCode does not just check your return value, it's check beyond it. Means for this question particularly, LeetCode check both the return value and changes made into the input array, means changes made into the nums array and the return value. LeetCode changes this both, check this both, not changes, because we change nums array as answer I and return this. So LeetCode check this change and also check this return value. LeetCode check this both. So custom judge means that LeetCode check beyond just checking the return value. So that means the custom judge. Now let's back to the question. I hope you understand the solution and the question both. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments, and meet in the next question. Till then, goodbye.